Hello friends, today we are going to take a look at how to create a zip file on Windows 10 and then send that file via email. Zip files let you put multiple files into the one folder, zip the folder and then send that folder as just a single attachment, which is more convenient for you and for the receiver. So I have this folder called the reports, and inside of it I have multiple documents. I can see down here I have 11 items and I need to send this to someone by email. So instead of uploading 11 different documents, I'm just going to right click on the folder, go down to send to and select compressed zip folder. And sometimes you have to look on your desktop for where it went. Mine popped over here. It gives me an option. It highlights the name if I want to change the name, but I don't so. I'm just going to click off of that. Now just so it's easier for us to see, I'm going to drag it out here just so you can see and compare. My original folder looks like a slightly open folder with the files in it. But the zip folder, notice, ends in .zip and has a zipper on it and it's closed. So those are the clues that you have a zipped folder. Now I'm going to open an email I was composing and I have it all typed already. I'm going to come down here to attach and I'm on my desktop now. Remember, I need to look for the folder that is zipped, that has a zipper on it. So it will sort differently if I have my stuff sorted by type here. So let me scroll down and there it is, the report folder with the little zipper. So I'm going to double click that to attach it and notice it's attaching down here, and once it is finished attaching I can just hit send and it will head off to my recipient. So that is how you zip a folder and then send it as an email attachment. Hope this has been helpful.